Today, you're going to blend sounds and choose the picture that matches. Let's look at this picture right up here, and we're going to look at these letters that are next to these group of pictures. We're going to say the sound of each letter, and try to guess the word. A, D. One more time. A, D. If you guessed mad, you're correct. Now, we're going to come over here and look at these three pictures. I wonder which picture shows someone being mad. Would it be the first, the second, or the third? If you guessed the second picture, you are correct. Now you're going to take a crayon and you're going to color in the picture of the person being mad. You're going to do this same activity with the rest of the words and pictures on this page.